Love knows no bounds. The feeling of attraction, affection, and concern, from acts of service, physical touch, gift giving, words of affirmation, down to quality time. Everyone got their own special cup of tea. As we approach the day of Saint Valentine, marami nagpaplano kung paano maipapakita ang pagmamahal for their loved ones. Para kanino ba talaga ang araw ng pagmamahal? For lovers? Friends? O baka naman para sa atin? Kidding aside, naranasan nyo na ba ang pagmamahal ng isang perpetual delta? What is love for the both of you?
For me po, yung love po is staying through your ups and downs. Hindi lang naman po sa based on partner. So, even sa family and friends, pwede mo rin po i-apply yung through ups and downs kasama mo sila.
In terms of academics, I would consider love. It would be my enthusiasm in learning and discovering as well as exploring.
Para sa akin, siguro parang deep affection towards someone na parang it's hard to explain kasi parang mararamdaman mo na lang siya bigla.
Putting yourself sa priority. Like you prioritize yourself above anyone else.
For me, I think the love na meron sa relationship na magkakaibigan is more on showing concern, especially kapag sa lowest point.
Yung love naman para sa akin, ayun yung nararamdaman nyo parehas pag magkasama kayo or kahit hindi kayo magkasama, para hinahanap nyo yung tamis ng samahan nyo, ganon.
So for me, love is something you can explain, but something you can feel.
For me, it's about like how you accept your friends as they are.
Sometimes when you love, you put them first. Pero I think kahit in any type of relationship, you should love yourself first.
As we value our education, we must value our environment. Allow love to inspire us to do better every day. Ikaw, anong kwentong pagmamahal mo?